Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first just open the security, it's right here. And now let me start with tapping on cleaner. So just open the cleaner and tap on agree to confirm all the terms and conditions, and now your device will be scanned. And as you can see, now you can clean up some space. Smoothly click here. And it has been done, as you can see. Now you can go back and use security scan. So just click on security scan and it will be also automatically performed. Your device will check if any virus is detected, but as you can see, everything looks good, so we can go back. Now you can also perform a deep clean. So if you click here, you'll be able to delete some unnecessary files. So for example, let me pick some photos which are duplicates. So let me delete them. You can obviously decide one by one, but I will just mark them. And now we also free up some space. Finally, you can also go back to the home screen, click on the square icon, and as you can see here, you've got all the apps that are currently active, and they are also definitely slowing down the device. So just tap on the cross icon to close them all. And the last option to do is to go back to security and then perform just give it a second to scan itself, to make the optimization process by tapping here. It will be generally speed up, so just give it a couple of seconds. Yeah, and here it is. So it has been done, and as you can see, a few items can be optimized. So just slide down, and here you can scan the battery, you can turn off lock apps, you can activate security system. It's up to you, so just go with all those info and then decide what you'd like to activate. And this is it, so you can speed up your Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.